Hey guys, I have bad news. I'm gonna cancel. Um, I'm gonna cancel Parkour Season 2. I'm sorry, there's no more parkour places. Okay. Just, well, we still have time, so I'm just gonna, you know, this Vaseline. I'm sorry, I have no more parkour place to go. And yeah, I have no more places to parkour. It's impossible now. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry, I'm just gonna post other videos, and I'm very sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Bye bye. This is Gary again. Credits to big gaming.